Guys, I'm in Dubai! Ang ganda! Nag-economy ako for this flight. Vlog is life. Ayan, affordable nito kasi parang nalala ko.
Masaya ako. I like it. Maganda upuan. Okay din naman internet.
Good morning! First trip ko to Dubai, so I'm riding Emirates Economy, first time ever. So, syempre, gagawa tayo ng video rin yan. And then, more videos about paano ko nakuha yung visa, etc. Abangan nyo yan. Pero mamaya, feel ko na sa plane na ako. Ang agad ng flight. We're flying. Nag-upgrade kami ng we booked the seats. Ito, and I think this will be my first Emirates flight. Nag-economy ako for this flight. Anyways, I'll show you. So, your seat will get a pillow. And then, may blanket. What's nice about it then, may saksakan ka dito.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard on a flight to Dubai in Passport Fly Dubai. A warm welcome back to Emirates Airways members joining us on the next flight.
And then,
we must not take common crew on board today. Come from 12 countries and speak 11 business languages.
You have your,
if there's anything we can do to
may TV ka, and then you also have your phone, you have your recline, table mo is here kasi nasa harapan ka. Yun siya. Ay, ang cute yung mga bata ang binigyan ng toy. Gusto ko rin ng toy. Gusto ko ng toy. Guys, ito yung food niya. So, I want the tapa, and then I want the asado, chicken asado. Kasi ayoko ng pangus. Guys, binayaran ko na yung internet kasi alam mo naman, kailangan natin may internet dito. So, not bad naman. I got my seat, and then I paid for this seat. It's like $80. Pwede na. Yun nga lang yung bag ko, nandun na sa 28. So, medyo nasa stress ako right now. Alam mo yun, kasi alayo ng bag ko. Pero my personal bag is here. So, okay lang naman. But yung bag ko na, yung maleta, nandun sa likod. So, parang, And by the way, I'll try the internet kung mabilis sila. Pero it looks like mabilis naman yung internet nila. And then, may meal service na. And here's the menu for our meal. So, this is the food, guys. And you have your cutlery packs here. O, diba? Okay, so ito yung food natin for today. So, ang cutleries nila is bakal. May towelette. Ay, looks good. Ay, looks like a Jollibee meal. Ay, nakakatuwa siya, guys. Sarap na sarap si Rod. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ano, Rod? Oh, masarap daw. Sarap na po. Masarap, guys. Yung kanin parang ano na, 2-day-old. Patigas, pero okay lang, masarap pa rin. Guys, ito yung dessert, parang coconut na parang suman siya. Parang siyang suman na latik. Ay!
It's dessert, no?
It's a bit sweet. Pero masarap. Parang siyang latik, guys. Suman na, ano siya yung malagkit na kanin na may latik. Marap naman. Sweet. But, marap. So far, so good. Masaya ako. I like it. Maganda upuan. Okay din naman internet. Tapos kumuha kami ng mga crackers and snacks. So if ever you're on flight, on board, pwede ka kumuha ng ganito. O, diba? Yung ilaw ko dito, guys, dahil kay Rod yan. Kaya ganyan siya. Do you eat the bread first?
I don't know why. What do you put the bread with? Oh, there's butter.
Guys, I'm in Dubai! Eto na siya, kakalaan lang namin. In fairness, the flight was not that bad, ha? I mean, I would have assumed na mas yung flight, pero hindi naman. Okay pa rin siya, parang buti lang may internet. I paid for the internet. It was like $20. Pero whole flight na siya sa Emirates. So masaya. The food was also good. Feeling ko kasi Philippine catering yon. So that's why medyo mas masarap siya compared to, let's say, other food, diba? This is my first time in Dubai as well. First time riding Emirates din. So I hope nagustuhan nyo rin itong video. In fairness, natuwa ako. But syempre, ang next na goal natin is syempre business class na Emirates. And syempre, A380 pag isasagad na natin, diba? Yun lang. Okay, I'm going to go to immigration muna. Eto guys, ang ate to get your arrival and baggage reclaim, bababa. So bababa pala dito Okay, now we know. Na elevator guys. Kasha, isang pulong barangay. In fairness. Ganyan kalaki guys. Laki. Okay, so nakalabas na ako. Okay, ganito. Look, bongga tourist SIM binigay. So, the tourist SIM is, cute. 10 GB free. It's by DU Telecom. Oh my gosh, may friends ako nag-work sa DU Telecom. So, free tourist SIM siya. Di bongga, diba? If ever you're going to Dubai, you think of going to Dubai, baka may free muna ng eSIM. Pwedeng wag ka munang bumili ng SIM para at least kung may free eSIM, di mo na kailangan may data ka na. 10 GB siya. So, if ever you're staying here for like 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, I feel, if hindi ka naman malakas mag-data, enough na yan. So, yun lang. Laki, di ba guys? Ang daming dito, carousel. As in talagang baggage claim lang talaga. I think yung mga friends codes, I think nasa likod pa sila. Pero let's see. Ay, titignan ko yung mga exchange rate rin dito. Ayun na guys, our bags. Sa labas na kami. This is the exit of the airport. Di ba? In fairness, MasterCard ang Ay, may Starbucks. Ito yung usually nakikita mo. Alam mo, it reminds me of Israel Airport. Medyo-ish. Ganda. Ganda rin. I love it. Guys, public buses nandyan. Tapos taxes nandito. Ganyan siya. And by the way, may Uber, And then, nandito na si Tongfu. Nauna si Tongfu, guys. So, makikita natin si Tongfu. And hingi ako ng time lang to buy coffee kasi medyo kakalan. And I think I need coffee. So, ayan si Tongfu bumibili sa boots. Ayan na, sa kahera. Ayan na, bumibili. So, paglabas mo, may Uber. Uber ba yan, Tongfu?
Uber, yeah.
Ayan so may Uber. So, saan siya? Sa number 2.
Exit 2.
Exit 2, guys. So, ayan may exit 2 dyan, makita nyo. Basta may sign ng Uber. That's it. It's as simple as that. Guys, dito siya. Bumagsak ang bag ko. Dahil inuna natin ang pag-vlog. Diba? Vlog is life. Ayan, exit 2, guys. May Uber logo. Diyan siya. See you at the pickup zone. Ayan siya, guys. Dito ang exclusive for Uber pickup. So, dito siya. Okay. Tapos, intay lang natin siya. Ang ganda nang nakuha nitong phone Uber.
May unan pa kasi Kim.
Thank you. Ayan na.
Yay!
Wow, nagtitip ba dito, Tongfu?
No.
Kasi Tongfu kasi meron daw code na null card. Ano yung difference ito? Ano yung, magkano yung difference? Pag sa gold card ka, gold. So even your, so magkano, for example, 10 pesos, 20 pesos yung difference nun?
Yeah.
Ano maganda sa gold cabin?
Lesser people. You can sit.
Pero mas mahal
It's more
siya.
comfortable. Mas mahal siya. Pero, I mean, it's affordable naman. It's not...
Sure bang affordable? Anong affordable?
Well, from hotel to here, it's only 10 dirhams.
How much is a dirham? Sa Coco, di ba? Sa Psico, di ba? It's 140 pesos, ha?
So, pag 280.
Mahal yun, ha?
150 pesos.
150, 75 lang if normally. Mahal din. Mahal din.
Yeah, kasi in Japan, 70, 60 lang.
Mahal.
Ang train mo.
I think if you have the budget, go. Pero if you don't have the budget, riding with the normal class is okay.
And if mabilis lang na super
kasi
siksik pa.
masikip pa talaga. Hindi daw talaga. Tingnan natin.
It's like MRT levels.
Uy, nandiyan yung Luxor. Luxor, guys. Ano saan yan? Sa Las Vegas.
Akala ko nga siya eh.
Fairness, ang ganda ng skyline naman talaga nila dito.
Yeah, it's clean.
DU Telecom na naman. Hello, Enzo. Ang Burj Khalifa, guys.
Mamaya.
Guys, ito yung hotel namin dito. It's 4 Points by Sheraton. May malaki kang mirror dito. And tinan mo, meron ka pang table here. O, diba? Work table, may saksakan. And then guys, dalawa yung bed na nakuha namin. Queen yan. Diba? Twin sharing. Then here, you have your cabinets for your hangers, ironing board. Nandyan siya. And dito naman, you have your safe at saka yung hair dryer mo. O, diba? And ang laki ng TV mo dito. Katabi mo, may saksakan ba? Yes. Di ba pinaka-importante, may saksakan and switches. Meron. Then you have 2 sofa and a table here. And you also have a balcony with the view. And not only that, guys. Pag titingnan mo here, kitang-kita na si Burj Khalifa. Boosh! O, di ba? Ganda. And then, here, we already have everything. Yung kettle mo, water mo, coffee mo, sugar mo, mugs mo. And then here naman is your mini fridge. And you have more storage here as well. Then ito naman yung bathroom natin, guys. For our bathroom, ang laki. Mirror, toiletries mo. Guys, you have a rainfall shower here. And then nandyan yung shampoo, conditioner, body soap. And ang question nyo lagi, may bidet ba? Yes, may bidet po tayo dito. Ang bongga, di ba? Ang laki ng room niya and sobrang affordable nito kasi parang nalala kung magkano lang kami per person dito. Parang lalabas 15K per person tapos 4 nights kami dito or 5 nights kami dito. So guys, not bad. Sobrang okay talaga. And ito, labas tayo dito sa balcony para makita nyo rin. Oh. Diba? Oh, Burj Khalifa. That's the view. And then, ayan na yun. O, diba? May nagtatago pa dito sa side. Pero guys, okay talaga to. Dito na, not bad. Tapos maraming kainan dito. May mga train down na station. And look ha, nandyan na yung museum. Ano pangalan ng museum na yun? Parang the Museum of the Future yun. O, diba? And what did you get us?
Al Baik. Al Baik is one of the biggest fast food chains in the Middle East. It's
Could you
from Saudi
open?
Arabia.
So what did you get?
Falafel
I love.
and chicken.
Magkano to? Like, roughly, rough estimate para at least alam nila.
68 dirhams for everything.
68 dirhams is how much Philippine peso? Times 1,078 pesos. Not bad.
We got a big set kasi.
I got some falafel.
Ano pa iba? So falafel. Oh, I smell fries.
Yes, and then this is your spicy chicken wrap.
Oh, I love it. I love pickles. Ba't mo pinatanggal yung pickle?
See, I told you.
Tingnan mo yung kaibigan kong yan. Hindi talaga ako kilala eh. Favorite ko daw, manga.
Ako pala yung hate ng pickles.
I asked him, di ba?
Ano yun na mamasa eh? I love pickles.
Baik.
Ang liit ng wrap na to.
So, snack lang ha. Snack lang. We're gonna eat them properly sa Dubai mo.
Ay, ba't may french fries sa loob, guys? This is a falafel wrap. May
This is
chili.
chicken wrap. This is spicy chicken wrap.
So that's how you eat it.
Ang sarap. Oh my God. Sarap. I love this.
This is your falafel.
May chili sauce.
Kulang pa sa anghang. Falafel.
Sarap. Thank you, Taco. So, ayan o, meron tayo free o. I believe your stay will be enjoyable. Thank you so much, Hazem. At yung hotel, guys, there's a Nando's. Tapos nandiyan na yung Future Museum. And then, nandiyan yung mga restaurants. May mga pharmacy rin dyan. And fairness, ang dami. Very great location. We walk mga less than 5 minutes. Basta a few blocks. Hindi pa siya blocks eh. Basta malapit lang talaga siya. Then may station ka na dito. Then ang daming mga shops. May Burger King. Pero guys, convenient. So in fairness sa pinili nito ang food. Maganda. Ay, so you can get a photo shot there. Diyan lahat ng mga tao nagpo-photo. O, diba? So, ganyan o. And then, ayan na siya. Ito yung mga train. Train na kami, guys. So, bibili kami ng train ticket. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng ano nila dito, guys. Parang train station nila may aircon. Sis.
Yung tawiran nila, yun.
Ha? O, Walkalator rin ang tawiran nila. O, ang ganda. Actually, pwede na pag pala magganito, diba? Pwede magganito to go to the airport.
Yes. 10 stops.
7
From here.
lanes din siya.
Like, main road kasi nila
For
eh.
ano,
Sheikh Zayed Road.
Yan na, guys. So, bibili tayo ng ticket. So, select a language. We click on English. And then, NOL cards tayo. Bibili tayo ng NOL cards. And then, gold. Kasi sabi ito, no. And then, we pay by credit card. And then, we pay via the bank terminal.
That's it.
Ayan na yung resibo ko. Ay, hindi kinukuha ng mga tao yung resibo. Ito na yung resibo ko, guys. Ay, yung card ko, guys. Yung card ko, ayan, ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda. Wow. Okay, I will try this, guys. And then, ito na yung train. Ito na yung train nila, guys. Which is exciting. Ganda. Ayun na.
Kaya ako, ang sarap.
Sabi kasi itong phone, ang ganda daw talaga cold. Si Aaron natatago lagi. Ayan guys, yung sabi nito, pag gold class, wala masyadong tao versus the other one. Kasi ang gold yung una, ganito daw ang gold card. So guys, ang Burj Khalifa mo at saka ang Dubai Mall mo pala, nasa iisang area. So, may mall siya. Para siyang, sabi ko nga yung comparison ko, para siyang Taipei 101. Yung Taipei 101 mo, parang nandyan na rin yung mall. So, parang gano'n.
Yung walking sa edge and yung slide, ito yun, sky.
Oh, ito yun, sky views daw siya. Okay guys, sabi ito, mahabang lakaran daw to, papunta sa Dubai Mall. Alam niyo naman, di ba, mahilig ako maglakad. At saka air-condition to, so hindi siya mahirap lakarin. Tapos yung car ride, or yung train ride na yun was 6 dirham. So it was roughly around 96 pesos siya. Medyo 2 stations lang kami So okay naman na. Si Tong Fu ayaw nang maglakad. Ayaw na maglakad mamaya. Ano daw, paano uuwi? Uber. Yung isa naman, pagkain na naman ano iniisip. Ayan na, Dubai Mall na. Ang haba daw ng lakad nila, guys. Ito na ang Dubai Mall daw. Start of the Dubai Mall. I'm gonna get coffee first. Guys, ang ganda nitong mall, oh. Ang laki. Grabe. Ito yung baba mo. And then you also have here. Guys, grabe. May Bloomingdale's pa sila. And then it's connected to the Dubai Metro. Grabe. Guys, may aquarium pa dito sa loob ng mall. Grabe, ang laki. Shala, oh. Aquarium, May stingray. Guys, ito naman yung sa baba, oh. There's mga food like Yamanote, coffee shops, may Morelli's. Rami. So there's a lot. May Venchi. So ang laki talaga nitong mall na to. Sobra. There's so many things that you can shop, you can buy. As in, meron pang food court yan sa taas, So, ang dami mong pwedeng ikutin talaga dito. So, itong Hafiz, ang sikat dyan is baklava. Turkey talaga yan. Turkish talaga gumawa yan.
The lights.
And then, guys, pag dates naman, ito pinakasikat, Batil. Yan yung bibili rin namin dyan. Oh my gosh, may bago, may kanafa pa, oh. And then this one. Guys, ito yung sikat talaga here. This is what Jazz always buy. Di ba yung dati nung sa bahay? Ito yung lahat na nilagay namin. This is really good. So you have to try this. Guys, ang ganda, oh.
May question ako to.
Ang ganda,
So
wow.
when I buy this one, I put it in the ref?
Yes.
Pero if it's not in the ref, don't really matter.
No, just put it. Ilagay mo na.
I mean, hindi siya titigas, ma.
Gosh, guys, ayan na yung Burj Khalifa. Look, ang ganda! Not comparable. Guys, ito yung pinaka-perfect angle to take your shots. Pag ganyan, oh, Burj Khalifa. Boom! Ang ganda! Diba? Then you see the mall pa sa likod, ganyan. Ganda. Guys, ang ganda dito. Look, oh. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's Christmas. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Natutuwa ako. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ang ganda dito, sis. Gusto ko to.
It's not edit yan mamaya.
Huwag ba naman gawin?
Tawag na.
Okay.
Jogo.
And then we're going to time out. Is it affordable?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
You'll see later.
Bakit si Tongfu kasama namin? Or pinili to ni Tongfu because he worked here for 4 months. So parang ang dami niyang nagustuhan. And then parang, wala lang, parang I think it's a nice trip. And then I also wanted to ride Emirates. Yun nga lang, the plane was not an A380, but it's okay. It was, pero ang galing ng staff, yung FA talaga nila, ang gagaling. I must say talaga. Okay, Time Out Market. Love it. This is it. Okay.
Pizza's here.
Oh my God, ang daming food, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh.
It feels like the...
May coffee.
What have you tried here that's good?
Pizza.
Ang laki, guys. So you have all of these restaurants. And ganito siya kalaki. So, you have so many options. Ito daw, masarap daw to. Mga shawarma. Ganyan yung mga prices nito, guys. So, para isa na may mga precious nila. Ganyan yung mga price. 20, 30, ganyan. So, guys, may pastas. You have Eastern bites. Then you even have Thai food. So, parang ano talaga siya? Longteng, which is like dim sum. Ganyan siya. And then may mga bars rin. You have Asian American cuisines. Oh my gosh, guys, may mga drinks rin siya dito. And they have mock cocktails. Pizza sis. Rod. Anong pizza to, Rod?
5.
5 something.
Yeah, 5 stars.
Okay, we're gonna eat, guys. Aaron, this is Rod. Ewan ko bakit yung hinahawakan.
No, I have...
Ako patanggal. Kunin mo nito. What is this, our mixed platter?
Mixed
wow!
grill platter.
Ang sarap. Okay, I got that. I tried them. Yung lab ang gamey, pero gamey.
The beef's good. The chicken's good.
Ang ate.
We'll eat first, guys. Parker. So let's see. Ito yung menu niya.
Original.
Matilda cake and the...
Ah. Wow.
I get it. That's good.
Masarap naman.
Hey.
It's rich.
Malap. In fairness, masarap. Very rich, ha?
The textures also are so good.
Good morning. Ako sa likod.
Punta na kami sa breakfast daw kami, brunch. Tapos ito ako nag-gym. Guys, we're going here. It's called the Arabian Tea House. Ito siya, oh. So, dito siya sa Al Fahid. So, let's try it. So, dito sinasabi ito, we have to eat here kasi it's a very traditional daw nila. O, diba? Matarik ang sun. Pero tingnan natin. Ay, ang cute. Arabian Tea House. Ay, ang taray. Ang cute.
This feels more...
You guys, ang cute ng place na to. It's called...
Arabian Tea House.
Yes.
So, I'll show you all of the different menu na pwede nyo rin i-order. Guys, dito kami sa labas. That's very breezy. I love it. Ito yung menu. And ordering na sila, guys. Over-orderer lagi. Kaya kailangan mag-ubos, taga-ubos. Ganun po siyang friendship namin, guys. Tea. And then for coffee daw to, guys. Rodo. Pag gusto mo lang, pag ayaw mo diwag.
I only want couple.
Oh.
We have the tea.
Thank you very much.
One Arabic coffee.
Winner yung pancake, mga...
Sarap na. Anong gusto nyo? Tea, mga friends? Alam mo, ano siya?
Ang dami pa ng bread na to. Kaya kuha na lang yan. Kung ano na lang.
Ba't parang amoy sa labat tong kape?
May ginger.
I think you dip the bread.
Alam mo kay Achi? Achi?
Yes.
Paano na kainin ka?
Hindi ko alam. Si Tongfu yung taga, ano dito eh, lokal.
What's that?
You want to try this? It's so good. Masarap daw.
Will you eat it how?
This one you put it inside.
Oh.
You open one, like you just get a piece, then put inside the extra.
What about the sauce? How do you?
I will tell you something. So this is the American lomi sauce.
Oh wow.
Okay. There is cheese inside and some vegetables, tomato and cucumber. So this is apricot jam, and this is melted cheese.
Melted cheese.
Yeah, and this is the baked beans. This is chickpea, and this is the fava beans, and this is cheddar cheese. Okay. So here you eat. So this is the shabab bread. It's a sweet, the Marathi pancake. Okay. So this you eat with the sweet. Eat with this. You eat with cheese and the sweet. This is jam.
Wait
and this
ka kaya
is
tong
extra.
food? Okay.
Yeah, you just get this and apply this.
Okay.
The sweet. Still, you can use that one as well to eat.
I see. Okay.
You just apply on it and eat.
Thank you.
Yeah, like this.
So if I'm eating this, I'll just put it inside.
Yeah, just get a piece of it, put that one inside.
Ganyan
then
para
still you can
matuto.
also use,
Use the
Yeah.
jam.
and this one still you can use the beans and also the sweet as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Paano ito mag-eat? Black or red?
Any? You can try both.
Guys, ano siya, marami siyang spice.
Ito in order na Rod eh. Oh, good. Spices tayo.
It's not bad. It's just na nagulat lang ako kanina.
Very
Kasi
usual
parang,
coffee.
oo.
Ayoko nga.
Ito, abim sa ino.
Actually, they also gave this. Ito, hindi ko sure kung ano to siya, guys. Peanut to tofu.
Sa coffee ba yan?
Kasi magkasabay eh. Or ididip ko ba yung dates sa... Ididip ko yung dates dito?
Yes. Butong gitna eh.
Pwede.
Nag-work?
Ang rich kasi nito. Parang
Baka bagay nga.
na-envelop siya. This one is like cheese naman, guys.
Pero it's like vegetarian.
Halloumi. Josh. Harumi? Halloumi.
It's halloumi cheese.
Ano siya?
Sa nandos ko siya nakakain.
Sarap.
Cheese.
Ano type na naman yan?
Ano to? What's that?
Old Medina.
Ang ganda. I love it. Sige, tingin tayo. What's in the Medina? Old Town daw to, guys. So, tingin tayo. May mga shops. Ito yung sinasabi, may mga shops.
Meron pero kaya nga. Okay, try natin. Ano ba yan? Sa tindahan, Rod.
Ay, wow. Ganda.
Naan mo.
May nagsabi na. Thank you. Ang cute to, di ba? Mga shops. Feeling nila Japanese ako, hindi ako Japanese sis. Guys, ito yung river dito oh. So pwede. Tong magkano isang ganitong, right? So guys, ito siya. Ito yung route. Mga 1 dirham lang daw. Cash only ah. Yun yung problema. Cash only nakasulat. So guys, so ito. Ganito yung itsura. Tongfu, yung gold souk, yung maraming pwede kang biling gold. Tapos real gold to, di ba? Pero ito yung Saudi gold na tinatawag pa nila, yung mga ganon. Madilaw. Tama ba? Yung Saudi gold yung madilaw. Hindi siya yung parang sobrang... Yung iba kasi may champagne gold, ganyan. Ito medyo madilaw tao talaga. But magandang quality. Or ayun. Guys, so, Dransuk. Ito yung pinasukan ko kanina, yung mga may shops na yan. It's just a walk from... Ayun, parang ilang steps lang. Boosh, nandyan na siya. Breakfast place, di ba? Then, kaya mong lakarin tong Grand Souk, Dubai. Tapos, nandito yung station mo. Ganda ng location. So, you can go here and then may mga hop-on, hop-off bus train here. You can definitely book. Pwede ka mag-boat. Tapos, makita mo yung scenic routes. May mga maps rin sila dito, guys. Yun siya, if ever. In fairness, dito ang ganda. Dito kayo, guys, sa may pier. Mas malamig. Doon kasi, ang init. Dito, in fairness, bush. Wala ka masyadong araw na nararamdaman. Ganda pa. Ay, nandito na yung Ministry of Finance nila. Plus yung Central Bank nila nandito rin. Sa likod lang. Fairness, ganda. Ayan guys, so nakita niyo may sign Al Qubayba Metro Station. Meron rin bus station and taxi nandun. Ayun lang oh. Al Qubayba. Oh my gosh. Guys, sobrang lapit. My gosh. Pwede i-train. Guys, so ito yung station nila dito. Cute, diba? Ang ganda oh. So, bumili muna ako ng coffee and then may supermarket just beside the hotel. I think the hotel is here. Dito lang. Ito lang, katapat siya, guys. Boogs! O, diba? Guys, so meron silang fix dito sa loob ng Express. And of course, my protein bars are also here.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, ito na ang ating
Abu Dhabi. Guys, this is Kaludi.
Hi, Kaludi.
How are you?
And he will be our guide for today.
Okay. And
Okay.
you really enjoy, inshallah.
Thank you.
Inshallah.
Bearland.
Bear na as in B-A-R-E.
Okay, so 1 hour ang drive to Abu Dhabi.
Ay, Philippine daw. Si Philippine. Si Cindy.
Guys, magkano na tayo? ATV. Gusto ko talaga to eh. Make sure ko. So, ayun na. Nasa Desert Extreme kami. Yun yung una natin gagawin. Naka-soundblock ako. Huwag kayo mag-worry. And G tayo. So,